Hi there. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a letter template to a particular study and then digitally sign that letter from the study menu. We're just logging into Nexus 360 here. I'll be logging on as admin just so that I have all the privileges. Having said that, you won't have all these privileges yourself. Very unlikely that you'll have administrative privileges, so what you can see will depend on what your lab administrator has set up. But this particular site has two-factor authentication enabled. So what that does is after I log in, I need to type in a code that's been sent to my smartphone. That code will change every 30 seconds and is unique to the site. So that's just an added layer of security for you. So in order to show you how the templates work, what I first want to do is show you where the templates themselves are stored for letters. So we go up the top here to our Manage menu, and we go to Templates. We can see here that we've got report templates, and they are the physician's report templates that are utilized within Profusion software itself. So signing of these templates is another video that goes through how to do that. We then have email templates down here that are used for workflow notifications, of which is another video tutorial on our YouTube channel, and lab report templates. Lab report templates are templates that your managers might set up for managing the lab. So efficiencies on reports of how many patients didn't turn up in a particular time period, etc. So there'll be another video on this later. What we're interested in today is the letter templates. So manage templates and letter templates. And if we go here, what we can see is I've got a single letter template that we've set up. It can be downloaded, so you can then modify it. It could be deleted depending on your privileges, or I can view and edit it here by clicking on the pencil. So let me click on the pencil, and what that's doing is in a separate tab, it will open the template itself. Okay, so this will enable you to make changes to the template within the web browser that are then permanent for all future studies. Here we see our @99 codes, etc. And these nonsensical sort of values are simply telling Profusion what data to insert at which point within the template. So these are more pertinent when we run the template later. What I wanted to show you here though is down the bottom, we have signature placeholder. This is imperative for digitally signing a report. It's an embedded placeholder that will tell the software where to put the digital signature photo. Okay, so this is our template where we can do these changes, but we must make sure it has a signature placeholder there for digital signing to work. So I'll just close this down. Now what I'll do is go into a study. So go to the studies menu on the tab up here. This will load some studies that I have pre-applied filters to. So what I'm looking at here is patient by the surname of White, for which the study is in scoring, and from a particular site, Compumedics. So what I want to do here is go down to Robert White, and if I go onto the service details, so the blue folder, so once the study's actually been acquired, I can go into the service details. I can go to the document section here. At the moment, there's nothing there. So I haven't run a physician report template, so nothing's visible at the moment. If I was to do that and run a report within Profusion, it will be stored here. But what's interesting is from the service details for the particular study, I can then also go to add letter. And this will give me the option to add the letter from the templates folder that I just showed you. So here, it will provide a drop-down menu. So if we have multiple letter templates, you just choose which one is of relevance. So in this case, the physician order. Then over on the right-hand side, click the green Create button. You just want to make sure that you get a little bit of time just to compile the report itself, and then it will open it so that you can preview it here. So here we have those @99 codes have now been replaced by sensible data. So in this case, it's only the name and date of birth that's of real relevance because I haven't populated the other fields. Now, if we scroll down, okay, and we see there's our signature placeholder. So this particular letter has been generated, but as yet is not digitally signed. So now what I'm going to do is just close this tab. So close the letter itself. I'm going to go back to the Studies tab. So we go back to our original study for Robert White and go back into the service details. Now, if we go into the Documents section, here you can see we have that physician order template, the letter that has now been generated and assigned to the study. So now we can see some different icons to the left of this. We can see that we can view it, we could then edit properties, we could delete it, or we could download it. Here at the moment you see this pencil sign. By pressing this gives me the option to sign that document, provided that the lab managers assign me the correct privileges. So if I click on this to sign the document and just select OK, now it will refresh the web browser itself. And what we'll see is this pencil icon's now changed to a cross through the pencil. So if I have permissions to unsign the document, I can then also do that. Okay. But here we have it, we've digitally signed the document. Okay, so what I want to do is view that document now. And it will open it up in the embedded viewer within the web browser. So here we've got the same report as before, but if we scroll down, there we have the physician's signature inserted, or whoever you wanted to sign it, with the relevant privileges. Thanks for your time. I hope you found this video useful.